Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very unique case which came to my clinic, a case of sleeplessness, which led me to prescribe a very infrequently used medicine in that condition. Listen to what the patient first came and told me. He told, sir, Doctor साहब, मैं कितने बजे भी सो, at whatever time I go to sleep, सवेरे 4:30 बजे मेरी नींद खुल जाती है. Whatever time I go to sleep, in the morning 4:30 I get up, and it is so precise that when I get up I know it is 4:30. It is so precise, but my sleep is not good. I come late because I have a hotel business. I come by at 1 o'clock, sometimes 12 o'clock. I sleep at 2 o'clock, but in 2 hours my sleep is absolutely awake. At 4:30 every day I get awake and I have a problem of sleeplessness. After that I don't get sleep. I have tried a lot of medicines but it does not work. So I asked him anything else. He says, sir, I get a lot of dreams and I am disturbed in my dreams. I am so disturbed that because of that also I wake up sometimes. I said, which type of dreams you have? I said, sir. He said, sir, all types of dream. I don't remember my dream, but I know my sleep is also disturbed because of dreams. And I told him that if you don't sleep, any other after 4:30, any other symptoms you have, you feel to go out, you feel restless, you feel palpitation, you feel perspiration. They said, no sir, he told me that मुझे उबासी बहुत आती है, मतलब ऐसी he has lot of yawning, but it is without sleep. A very typical symptom the patient told me कि मुझे उबासी आती है but नींद नहीं आती, ऐसा लगता है बस नींद आने वाली है. I start yawning but still I do not get sleep. In fact मुझे बहुत अंगड़ाई लेने की भी इच्छा होती है. I feel desire to stretch. अंगड़ाई लेने की इच्छा होती है, उबासी आती है, means I feel desire to stretch. I feel desire to yawn, but it is without sleep. I don't get sleep. I always wake up at the same hour. I told him any other symptoms you have because of sleeplessness, you have headache and all. He said no, that is the only problem I have. Then I asked him a very important question that everybody must ask: the position of sleep. And he told me one of the fantastic thing that he always sleeps with limb crossed. His wife also told me that it is very typical, sir. He always sleeps with limb crossed. मतलब मैं अगर उसके पैर अलग भी कर दूं तो फिर से आके सो जाएंगे सर. It is so typical in this case. Always sleeps with limbs crossed. Now when the patient tells you such a peculiar symptom, immediately few remedies must strike in your mind. Sleeps with limb crossed. In the Mater Medica, there are 3 very important remedies. The first is belladonna, the second is rhododendron, and the third is theridion. So a short case of sleeplessness. In fact, sleep is good but always wakes up at the same time, and other symptoms like yawning and stretching, but no sleep. What will you prescribe? First of all, how will you assess the symptoms, then put it in the repertory form, and then repertorize the case? Let us now see how to get the symptoms from the patient's language. The first symptom was that he had sleeplessness and sleep is disturbed by dreams. He typically told that because of some dreams my sleep is disturbed. So you can take sleep is disturbed by dreams. And second, always wakes up at the same hour. Whatever time he sleeps, always wakes up with the same hour. That is 4:30 in the morning. Third, position of the sleep is he sleeps cross-legged. Fourth, yawning without sleepiness. A very important symptom: yawning without sleepiness and yawning with stretching. See the typical symptom the patient has told us, and of course a very important, a peculiar and 3-marking symptom, and that is sleep position when the patient crosses his limbs. A very important remedy, very important symptom syndrome we have. So if you repetize these symptoms, only one remedy that comes to your repertory chart, a very infrequently used medicines. Of course, for me, I have not used that in a case of sleeplessness, but I gave to the patient, and that is rhododendron. Rhododendron 1 ml I gave to the patient. In about a month's time, everything settled down, and gradually in 3 months, the whole picture had cleared with just one dose of rhododendron 1 ml. This is in short symptoms of sleeplessness of rhododendron. One symptom which I would like to add in rhododendron, that is, I have told you the position of sleep in rhododendron, that is sleeps limbs crossed, but there is also one position, a very peculiar position of rhododendron sleep is sleeps with limbs spread apart. वो पैर खुला पूरा खोल के भी सोता है. A very very important symptom of rhododendron, the position of sleep. Of course, if the patient is telling you that he always wakes up at the same hour with rhododendron, you must remember one more remedy, and that is selenium. Selenium also has the same symptom, wakes up at the same hour. So in short, this is a short description of a case of rhododendron which I cured in my practice. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.